I was sent this book to review and really excited to get my hands on it. So this is the house flipping blueprint, and this one is great if you are considering possibly investing in real estate specifically for house flipping. This is definitely an option that you want to consider. This book is really easy to get through. It's about 130 pages total, and it does have a really good table of contents here in the front. So if there's something specific that you're looking for, you can go ahead and flip to that section. So a lot of good information in here regarding just identifying the properties that you would be interested in, identifying what that flip value is. Also rehab planning, of course, that's a big part of flipping, right? You're actually going to do renovations to this place. So really identifying, the contractors that you need to work with, what's the best way to go about that, how to identify what exactly you're going to be able to sell the property for, which is super important. And then also just the rehab planning, renovation techniques, really how you're going to keep your costs low so that you can maximize profit. And then also scaling, which is huge, right? You want to see exactly how you can scale this up. Maybe you're doing one every few months, and just really giving you information on how to scale that. So I thought this was really helpful and definitely a good reference guide for anyone that's interested in house flipping.